Okay, this is a quick little primer on doing a wrap on a handle. So this is a 2-2 twill. You see at the bottom here what I did is I kind of taped my warp up, and this takes an odd amount of stakes to make it a continuous weave, and then I wrapped around it about 3 or 4 times with the tail, and then just kind of yank that tail up a little bit. Now this is going to get covered, so you want it to start at a little bit lower than than when your hoop shows, of course. And like I said, this is a 2-2 twill, and it steps up by 1. And you notice that this is variegated cane. It has 2 sides, and the inside, which is kind of the rough side, takes the dye better, but I opted to use the cane or outside on this, so it gives it a mottled effect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of weave a little bit here so that you can see how this works. This is a 2-2 twill, so I'm over 2, behind 2, over 2, behind 2, and I just keep wrapping that whole rim. Pull it through. Your weaver needs to be wet, but you don't want your stakes to be. Over 2, and it'll be under 2 here. They're going to get a little damp, but you don't want to spray them, so that they kind of maintain their rigidity. Okay, and I'm stepping up by 1, and then if I want to tighten this down, I can take a weave right and kind of pull that down a little bit. One thing that'll happen with these stakes is they'll start shifting around, so it's up to you to put them back where they belong. Okay, I'll do it just another row around. So that's behind 2, this will be in front of 2. And what I do to make that odd amount, I think there's, this is a 1.5 inch wide hoop. So, and that takes about 6 on the front and 6 in the back, and then I'll put 1 more on the side to give me an odd amount. So, over 2, under 2, and pull, over 2, under 2, it'll be in the front, and then I'll pull it. Okay, and once again you can tighten it up, and there you go. That's how you do a twill covered handle, which is in the Twill oval melon basket, if you decide you want the kit. Hey, it's Jill. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like our videos and subscribe. That way you're always updated on anything basket related that we have on our Jill Choate Basketry channel. You won't miss a thing. Please like us and subscribe. See you next time.